Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to an episode of Chemical Guys Detail Garage. Today, we'll be talking about all the different types of microfiber towels that we offer, why you should use them, when you should use them, and how do you care for them. Anyways guys, let's get right into it. As you guys can see, I have many different types of microfiber towels sitting around me, and all these microfiber towels have a special use around your vehicle. Now, every single microfiber towel can be used on every type of car, but today I'll be breaking it down when you should use them and why you should be using them on your car. Like this, you get the proper shine, a streak-free finish, and like this, you don't install any more scratches or swirls to your ride. To start off with, we're going to start with the drying towels. Now, I have three different types of drying towels. I have the Waffleweave, I have the Speed Mammoth, and the Woolly Mammoth. Let's get right into the Waffleweave. Now, the Waffleweave is a perfect towel for anybody that has a super large vehicle. Right now, I have it folded in threes, so if I go ahead and expand it, you guys can see how large this towel actually is. Now, the Waffleweave pattern does an amazing job at sucking up water from the vehicle, from the surface. How I like to explain it, imagine it's a waffle sucking up all that syrup, but that syrup is water, so it's going to trap within this sewn edge microfiber towel, and the Waffleweave pattern is going to absorb tons of water. And one of my favorite things is if you do have a large vehicle, it comes with pockets where you can stick your hand inside, and like this, you get the perfect shine while you're drying your vehicle. Now, this towel can be used on smaller vehicles, but I like to recommend this towel to be used on much larger vehicles, such as Ford F-150s, Chevy Silverados, or even GMC Sierras. Like this towel is much more larger, and you want to use this type of towel on larger vehicles. Now, you guys might ask me, can I use this on a smaller car, such as a sedan, like a Honda Accord? And the answer is yes. But one of the issues that you're going to be running into, you are going to have to start folding your towels, and over time, after it gets soiled, you're no longer going to have a clean spot. And this is why we always recommend going with a smaller towel for a sedan. So like this, you get the perfect streak-free finish, and your car always has that amazing shine you're always looking for. So this towel is ginormous. I mean, it's super long and it's perfect for any SUV or larger truck. But whenever you come into contact with smaller areas or intricate areas, yes, you can fold them, but then you're going to be having a much more larger pile to deal with. So this is why we're going to take a step down and introduce you guys to our Speed Mammoth. Now, our Speed Mammoth, we went ahead and took a step back, and we made a much more smaller towel. And as you guys can see, this towel right here has silk banding edges on it, which is going to allow the water to stay encapsulated within the fibers of this microfiber towel, as well as has a much more larger pile. Now, this pile, all of our microfiber blend is 70-30, which is going to be a premium blend. It's going to be the most premium, the most absorbent, and the less scratch-free finish. So this towel is perfect for any sedan and intricate areas. This towel actually holds up to half a gallon of water within the pile of the microfiber towel. So for anybody that does have a sedan, this is a perfect length towel for you to go ahead and do a whole entire wipe within the sides, and you don't have to fold your towels. Now, if you do want to get into intricate areas, you can still go ahead and fold it up and get into those intricate areas. But for a much more smaller car, I recommend going with the Speed Mammoth. So the Speed Mammoth, you can still fold it in fours, get an amazing shine and a streak-free finish in no time. Now, we'll be jumping over to our famous Woolly Mammoth that everybody loves. The Woolly Mammoth is going to be an all-around towel. Now, this towel can be used on small cars, large cars, and medium-sized cars. This is going to be a towel that is super plush, super absorbent, and ginormous. As you guys can see, it's much more bigger than the Speed Mammoth. This one holds up to a gallon of water. It still has a silk line banding around it, because silk line banding around the whole entire microfiber towel is not going to scratch your car. Now, this is a perfect towel for you to have on hand for any type of car that is ceramic coated or coated with any glazes, sealants, and waxes. A glaze, a sealant, and wax is going to allow your microfiber towel to drag across the surface of the vehicle without harming the coating nor scratching the finish. Now, for anybody that does not have any ceramic coatings on their cars, we recommend having two of these on hand. So like this, you get the perfect shine, perfect streak-free finish, and you don't start any more scratches and swirls. Because what ends up happening is whenever you have a ceramic coating on your car, the water only sits on top, and whenever you come with your microfiber towel, you simply glide it, it absorbs, and you drag it, and you enjoy the shine. You could still go ahead and fold this towel. It's fairly simple to fold. Simply fold it in fours. Like this, you can work around the whole entire glass, mirrors, wheels, headlights, and much more. So this is our basic drying towels. And these plushness are amazing. I mean, they're super soft, super absorbent, super plush. But the Speed Mammoth, the Woolly Mammoth, goes further than just vehicles. I mean, you could also use this at home. You could use that as a floor mat whenever you get out of the shower. You could step on it, you could dry yourself off with it. It's super soft, super plush, and super absorbent. Next up, we're moving on to our next towels, which is going to be a much more smaller towel on this side. We already got away from the drying towels. Now we're going to be going over the everyday use towels, such as wiping down your car, wiping down your wheels, wiping down your glass, your interior, your exterior. You think about it, you name it, we have a towel for it. We're going to start off with the most basic towel ever, which is going to be the Workhorse. Now the Workhorse microfiber towel is this small pile towel that has a sewn-on edge around the whole entire banding, and it's going to allow you to remove any glazes, sealants, and waxes. As you guys can see, it's a 16 by 16 towel, and this is exactly what you need to remove any of those coatings. For example, whenever you're dealing with any type of waxes, you want to remove it with a small pile microfiber towel, for the reason being is you don't want that towel to be dragging on your car. Now the glaze is going to haze up, or the wax or the sealant is going to haze up on your car, and whenever you put the microfiber strands onto the surface, it's simply going to encapsulate all that glaze, sealant, or wax within the fibers, and it's going to be much more easier to move away from the surface of the vehicle. Now, the Workhorse microfiber towel does come in different variety of colors. That variety of colors consists of green, brown, gray, black, yellow, and blue. Now every single towel is color coordinated. For example, yellow is for interior, green is for exterior, blue is for window. The reason why we always want to recommend you color coordinating your towels is so you could reduce cross-contaminating. Now you don't want to have a super dirty wheel towel on the interior ride. For that being is, you're going to cross-contaminate it, you're going to get more streaks, and especially as someone that's cleaning windows, everybody knows how hard it is to clean windows, but today we'll solve that problem for you guys. So this is our Workhorse microfiber towel, the basic one. For cleaning windows, we recommend using a Waffleweave pattern. Now this Waffleweave pattern is a much more larger towel, but it has a Waffleweave-like texture. It's going to remove all the dirt, grime, debris away from the glass while leaving a streak-free finish. And it's very simple to use, very flat, and very absorbent of any liquids. So whenever you're using a microfiber towel, such as the Waffleweave, paired up with your streak-free finish, or any of your desired glass cleaners, spray it on the surface, wipe one direction, and like this you achieve a streak-free finish. Next up, we're moving on to any towels that needs to be used with any quick detail sprays or waterless washes. And that's going to be our Happy Ending microfiber towel. Happy Ending microfiber towels, we go above and beyond. It's a super plush, super absorbent, super gentle microfiber towel, and it's edgeless. Edgeless, so soft, and it's going to be super absorbent. Now this towel is a 16 by 16 towel, and this towel should be used with any liquids. Liquids is going to work best, such as a quick detail spray, such as Hybrid V07, Swift Wipe, EcoSmart, Hydroglide. You think about the liquid, this is the perfect towel. You simply want to spray directly onto the surface and wipe off the residue. Now this towel also does work for anybody that has a ceramic coated vehicle that has all that water puddling on top of the surface. For anybody that does not have a ceramic coating vehicle, that's what we recommend using our next towel that I'll be going over then. But this towel is super soft, super plush, super absorbent for anybody that wants to use waterless washes or quick detail sprays for that finishing touch. I'll move my towels off to the side. And now we'll be going over anybody that just finished polishing their car, did a multi-step finish on their car. Now this is the Monster's Edgeless microfiber towel, and this towel does an amazing job at removing any compounds or polishes away from the surface of the vehicle. So once you're done polishing the surface of your ride and has no more scratches or swirls on the surface of the vehicle, you want a towel that's going to remove any compounds, oils, polishes away from the surface of the vehicle without harming the finish nor scratching it. Now this towel is going to do an amazing job for the reason being it's completely edgeless, soft, plush, and absorbent. So simply fold it in fours, and like this you have 8 sides to play with. For example, if I unfold it again, one side, two side, but if I fold it in fours, now I have one side, two side. If I flip it, 3 side, 4 side, and if I invert it, obviously I get 4 more sides. So this towel does an amazing job at removing any compounds or polishes away from the surface of the vehicle. Yes, you can use something like a sewn edge, such as a Workhorse microfiber towel, but here at Chemical Guys, we found out that the edgeless Monster edgeless towel is going to do an amazing job at removing any compounds or polishes away from the surface of the vehicle. So that's whenever you follow up with a glaze, a sealant, a wax, that's whenever you use your microfiber towel, the Workhorse. Now, as you guys can see, we have many different types of categories that we're going over, such as drying, such as glass towels, polishes towels, quick detail sprays towels. The reason being is we want to allow you guys to express the best of yourself and achieve the best shine at home, at garages, or at a parking lot. Like this, you achieve a streak-free shine and you're always shining the right way, the Chemical Guys way. And our next stop on this microfiber towel list is going to be a towel that is multi-use and can be used to remove waxes, glazes, sealants, as well as be used with quick detail sprays. And that is going to be the Monster Extreme Premium Microfiber Towel. The reason being is this towel actually has two different sides of piles on it. It has a long strand and a short strand. Now the short strand, like I told you guys before, a short strand works amazing to remove any glazes, sealants, waxes, ceramic coatings away from the surface of the vehicle, while the larger pile works amazing to be used with quick detail sprays. Now this towel can be used at home as well. It could be hung up around your oven or wiped down any type of surfaces. You could use that towel as well, or any of these towels within your at-home surfaces. But this towel works amazing to have on hand at any detailing job, just in case if you're using liquids, such as quick detail sprays, or to remove glazes, sealants, and waxes with the other side. So remember, if you fold it properly, you get 4 sides. So I have 4 sides to play with the short strand, and I have 4 sides to play with the long pile. So like this, if I fold it correctly, it's going to allow me to express this towel as much as possible. It also has silk line banding, which is going to absorb tons of liquids and keep it within the pile. And the silk line banding, one of my favorite things is, it doesn't allow your towel to rip over time. This silk line banding not only does not scratch your surface of the vehicle, but it's going to keep your towel intact. So if I pull on it, it's not going to harm it nor damage it, and it's fairly simple to fold. Simply fold, and you're good to go. So now that I went over the everyday use towels, next up, our last stop on this towel list is going to be El Gordo. El Gordo is the same thing as the other towel, but it does not have silk line banding. This one has a sewn edge around it. Now this towel works amazing on interior surfaces only. The reason being is, whenever you're dealing with such as liquids, you want to use a long pile and the short pile to buff off any residue. Now the sewn edge is super soft, super plush, and super absorbent, but as well as the color. The color is one key thing. I like to use light colored towels on the interior of my vehicle, for the reason being is I want to see all that dirt, grime, debris come off of the surface of the vehicle. So like this, I know the cockpit in my ride is always clean at any given time. So this towel works amazing to be used on the interior, while this towel works amazing to be used on the exterior. Now, if we do a quick rundown, the Workhorse Microfiber towel should be used to remove any glazes, sealants, and waxes because it has a short pile. And the Happy Ending Microfiber towel should be used with any type of liquids, such as quick detail sprays, waterless washes, or any type of liquids you want to spray on the surface of the vehicle for that finishing touch. The Waffleweave Microfiber towel, the smaller one, should be used on glass to achieve a crystalline finish. The Monster Extreme Edgeless towel should be used to remove any polishes or compounds away from the surface of the vehicle. The Monster Extreme should be used on the exterior of your vehicle to remove any liquids, or be used with liquids, as well as remove any waxes or sealants with the starter pile. And for the interior vehicle, you could use El Gordo. El Gordo is soft, plush, absorbent, and it's a lime green, so you could actually see all the grime coming off and making your car clean. And for large vehicles that are ceramic coated or protected, the woolly Mammoth. Sedans that are smaller, go ahead and use the Speed Mammoth. And for anybody that has an off-road vehicle that's super large and big, the Waffleweave towel. Now, I hope this towel category breakdown was an amazing job for you guys. So like this, you guys know exactly what towel you guys need. So now we went over the towels that we offer on our website, chemicalguys.com. Now it's time to talk about how do you properly care for the microfiber towels. Now it's fairly simple. Just say throw them in the washer, right? But it goes further than that. To keep your towel soft, plush, and absorbent, we came out with our detergent, which is called Microfiber Wash. It's been a product that has always been on our website, but it's a great product to have on arsenal, and it's very simple to use. So all you want to do is, before you wash your towels, you want to separate them. you want to separate them by category. If you have exterior waxing towels, put them with exterior waxing towels. If you have glass towels, put them with glass towels. Now that you have everything separated, you want to grab your microfiber wash, open it up, and then you want to add 4 capfuls of the microfiber wash cap into your wash detergent. Put it to wash with warm water so the microfiber strands could actually exfoliate and open up. Because what microfiber is, imagine it's like little particles, like little hands, simply gets the grime and it closes them up. So whenever you add warm water to it, it's going to open up and all the grime goes out. And by using microfiber wash, not only is it going to clean your towels, but it's also going to exfoliate, keep them plush, soft, and absorbent, and they won't damage over time, and it will not clog up any microfiber pores. So like this, next time you use it on your car, it's still absorbent, super plush, and super premium. Anyways, guys, before I forget, whenever you do get a brand new microfiber towel from us, they're always going to come with an amazing Chemical Guys tag. But a pro tip for you guys, put your finger through it and pull it off. The reason being is you want to pull it off because you do not want to scratch the surface of the vehicle. So anyways, guys, this towel is completely ready to use because it's completely tagless. If you do have a tag on your towel in your arsenal, I recommend you walk over right now, remove the tag so it could be completely tagless and ready to use. And anyways, guys, if you guys want to pick up any of these towels that I mentioned today in this video, you could check the link down below for every single microfiber towel that I use. Or you could also hop onto website chemicalguys.com. Or you could also stop by your local detail garage. You can find everything there. A detail garage is a detailer's paradise. We have over 99 detail garage locations across the globe, including Canada and the UK. As always, I'm Henry, and you can find everything on chemicalguys.com or at your local detail garage. We'll see you guys next time.